Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Oasis. And in my previous video, we were watching that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, Oasis was struggling to break the next key resistance. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then here it is completely rejected by this resistance. And on the daily time frame chart, Oasis has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Oasis that I shared a few days back on 30th of January with my members. Not on 30th, on 20th of January with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern with Bitcoin pair on the daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time it was very close to complete this final leg of this shark move. It was about to enter, but you can see it pumped before entering this potential reversal zone. And this was, by the way, more than 70% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg of this bat on the 2 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down for the completion of this leg. And by the way, I shared this idea on 30th of December 2022. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, and it even dropped slightly more down than this potential reversal zone. But after forming a double bottom just below this potential reversal zone, it recovered very soon, and then we had more than 37% pump. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern, and this was the breakout that we were waiting for the past several months. And I've been telling you previously that once Rose or Oasis will break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, then we can expect that it can start a long-term rally to the upside. And you can see that after the breakout, so far we had a short pump, but price line is getting rejected by this resistance of 7.3 cents. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here we have the formation of this rising wedge pattern. And finally, the price line has broken down the support. And after the breakdown, you can see it retested the previous support of the wedge as a resistance. And after getting rejected, it even break down this support of 7.3 cents. On the daily time frame chart, you can see the price line was moving above this 7.3 cents. That was the long-term resistance. On the weekly time frame chart, we can see it was breaking a very long-term resistance. And even on the daily time frame chart, we have recently broken it down again. And now our next short-term support will be here. That will be approximately at 5.8 cents. And by the way, if we watch the target to the downside after this breakdown, that is here at the bottom of the wedge. And there we also have another short-term support that is at 5 cents. So it is possible that the price line may move down between these two support levels, and then it may start the next reversal, because on the weekly time frame chart, on the long term, the price line is quite bullish. You can see we have broken out a very long-term resistance. And if we take a look at the final target, by the way, then final target after this breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 58 cents to 60 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.